we are from Group 7. Our group explain about the culture of Bulungan. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Azlin and my partner.
My name is Tita.
My name is Riani.
Hello, my name is Juliana.
Watch the following video.
The Sultan Bulungan of Bulungan is a sultan that once controlled the coastal area of Bulungan Regency, Tanah Tidung Regency, Nunukan Regency, Tarakan, Tawau City, Kalabakan is current perfection of Sabah. This sultan was founded in 1731, with the first king named Wira Amir Kaca Amiril Mukminin, 1731 until 1777. And the last or 13 years, king of the Sultan Bulungan was Datuk Tiras Kaca Sultan Maulana Muhammad Jalaluddin 1931 until 1958. Bulungan, the country of the Sign, the former territory belonging to the Berau state, which had spirit itself so that in the agreement of the Banjar Sultan with the Dutch VOC it was considered part of the Berau state, Berau the former vassal of Banjar, which was handed over to the Dutch VOC. In the fact, until 1850, Bulungan was under the control of the Dutch East Indies, domination of the Sultan of Sulu.
Jukit dance is a traditional dance from Bulungan Regency, North Kalimantan, which is a dancer that's only performed in the plains. Basically, this Jukit dance is divided into two, named Jukit the Angkel and Jukit the Maring, both of which are sacred plants. Dance are like, at first glance, the set meant to have. At first glance, the same to have similar, but in the fact the two dances have very complex differences in terms of musical instrument and song lyrics.
Bulungan wedding dress are usually called the Interkusuma dress, which is known by the Bulungan community and is used at weddings or marriages. To this day, until preferred and used by most Bulungan tribal people, especially by relatives of the Bulungan Sultan. As for the colors or patterns, there are two kinds of them. One of a wool yellow and color, one with a wool yellow color for use by the sons and daughters of the Sultan Bulungan, while the yellow is combined with red for the Bulungan community or the new people or village. Bulungan bridal clothing was first created in the Sultan era by Sultan Alimuddin in 1708 until 1817 in a rudimentary state. As time goes by now, it has undergone change to adapt to conditions from the condition of the Bulungan Sultan at the time by Sultan Kaharuddin, who reigned from 1876 until 1889. Was first named Pegian Kusuma after the name of the queen who made the clothes, where the Pegian is the highest little of Bulungan kingdom. From the queen over time, this dress changed its name to Interkusuma until now, which was taken from the name in Interkusuma until now, which was taken from the name of the one of the queen of the Bulungan Sultan, who made change to the Bulungan wedding dress, which currently means wrapped around the body.
Bulungan comes from the word Bulu Tengon, Bulungan language, which means real bamboo. Due to a change in the Malay dialect, it changed to Bulungan from a bamboo that was born a prospective leader who was named Jawiru. And in the course of the history of this king, the Sultan of Bulungan was born after Kuanyi Dit Jawiru took his place is heard of the Dayak tribe Hupan. Then Jawiru had a son named Paran Anyi. The Anyi did not have a son, but had a daughter named Lahaibara Wang, and then married a man named Wan Peron, who took her place. From the marriage of Lahaibara and Wan Peron was born a son name is Barrow and a doctor named Simon Luan. At the end of his life, Lahai Bara ordered his children to put his lungun in the coffin next to the Kipah River downstream. Lahai Bara bequeathed 3 kinds of heirlooms, namely Anai-Anai, Kerkap, Kedabang, a kin of headgear, and or Bersairuk. These 3 types of inheritance caused a dispute between Si Barrow and his brother Simon Luan finally managed to take the pedal and went with the coffin of Lahai Barai.
Culture is a way of life that develops and is shared by a group of people, and is passed down from generation to generation. Each culture has its own characteristics. For example, my tribe, namely the Bugis tribe, has the characteristic traditional clothing called Bodo clothes, and the Bugis community has their own tradition of moving houses by actually moving the actual house without dismantling. This tradition is called Mapalet Ball. This tradition involves tens or even hundreds of villagers to help move houses to a new location. We live in a country of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which is different but still one. It is very important to respect other people's cultures to maintain one unity in our region, because every culture must have its own uniqueness. How do men and women act, the meaning of time, the significance of distance, and usual expression. What else do you learn? Culture is that complex which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, law, customs, and other capabilities acquired by humans as members of society.
Aku